In this quick Canva tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to start a brand new design from scratch, step by step. Whether you're making a post for social media, a flyer, or a presentation, this is where every Canva project begins. Let's get started. First, go to canva.com and make sure you're logged into your account. You'll know you're logged in when you see your designs and your picture or logo down in the corner. Once you're on the home page, you'll see this purple button in the top left corner that says Create. Click that to get started. When you click the button, you'll see a menu with different design types, like Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, or presentations. These are all pre-sized templates that make things super easy. If you want a custom size, you just click Custom Size and put in your dimensions. Once you choose your design type, Canva will open a blank canvas for you. This is your workspace. From here, you can start adding text, photos, elements, and more. But don't worry, I'll walk you through all those steps in upcoming videos. Before you start creating, it's a good idea to rename your design. Just click on the title at the top where it says Untitled Design and type in a name. Canva automatically saves your work, so you'll never have to worry about losing your progress. And that's it. You just created your very first design in Canva. If this video helped you, type the like button and subscribe for more short, beginner-friendly Canva tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.